Zig is a relatively new programming language designed for robustness, clarity, and performance. It provides a modern alternative to C and C++. Zig was created by Andrew Kelly and has been gaining traction among developers. These developers want more control over their code, and they're certainly getting it with Zig. Another main reason that developers are drawn to Zig is because of its focus on safety and predictability. Zig was designed with the goal of preventing common programming errors at compile time rather than runtime. It has a strong type system that catches many bugs before they can cause issues, which can significantly improve code quality and reliability. Zig strikes a balance between being a high-level language and offering low-level control. This is crucial for tasks that demand fine-tuning and optimization, like systems programming, embedded development, and game engine. Developers who need to work closely with hardware or want to squeeze out every ounce of performance find Zig's capabilities quite appealing. Now let's talk about something that could be a major pain point for developers: syntax complexity. The thing about Zig is that Zig aims to keep its syntax clean and intuitive, drawing inspiration from multiple languages. This makes it easier for newcomers to pick it up and for experienced developers to switch over without much hassle. Another factor contributing to Zig's popularity is its growing and enthusiastic community. Online forums, discussion groups, and open source projects related to Zig are popping up everywhere. This community support fosters collaboration, knowledge sharing, and the development of tools and libraries that enhance the Zig ecosystem. If you're interested in system programming, Zig offers an excellent learning platform. It helps you understand memory management, pointer manipulation, and other low-level concepts. These concepts are essential skills for various domains, including operating systems and Internet of Things. Zig's focus on performance is a big draw for many developers. Its predictable and efficient code generation, along with the ability to fine-tune details, makes it suitable for performance-critical applications. This is particularly relevant in areas like real-time applications and game development. Zig has great cross-platform support and works on Windows, Linux, macOS, or even embedded systems. There you have it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next one.